Welcome back. In this question, you are required to graph 3x minus 4y is greater than or equal to 12. Now you can see that this is clearly a straight line graph involving inequalities. So you have to draw the straight line graph. It will be a rough sketch. You can use whatever method you like, but the best method here would be x-intercept and y-intercept. So let's use that. We want the x-intercept. If we want the x-intercept, we must put y equal to 0. So 3x minus 4 into y. So what you do now, when you're finding the x-intercept, you just use equal to sign. When you're finding the x-intercept, just use equal to sign. 3x minus 4 into 0, because you're putting y equal to 0, is equal to 12. So 3x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 over 3. X is equal to 4. Right? Next, we want to find the y-intercept. Y-intercept. For y-intercept, you must put x equal to 0. So your question is 3x minus 4y is greater than or equal to 12. If you put x equal to 0, 3 into 0 minus 4y is greater than or equal to 12. That will become 0 minus 4y is greater than or equal to... Oh, sorry, when you're finding the intercepts, just use equal sign. When you're finding the intercepts, just use equal to signs. Alright, so 4y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12 over negative 4. Y is equal to negative 3. So you got x equal to 4. Y is equal to negative 3. Okay, so to find the x-intercept and y-intercept, use equal to signs. Then you will draw the graph. And remember, you'll be drawing a rough sketch. So let's just get the axes done. Now, the x-intercept, x is equal to 4. There's your x-axis. There's your y-axis. There's your origin. Now, x is equal to 4. So there's 4 here. You plot 4. Or if you want, this is actually 4, 0. This is actually 0 minus 3. So if I want to plot this, there's 0 and minus 3 will be somewhere here. So these are the 2 points. And then you just join them. And you've drawn the graph. Now, so far you've only drawn the graph. Now you want to work out where to shade, because there's an inequality sign. You have to shade. So now you have to work out where to shade. So one of the best things we use is called the origin test. O-R-I-G-I-N. Use the origin test. So what you do, the origin test, the coordinates of the origin are 0, 0. So, which is actually x and y. You take these and you put it in the original equation. The original equation was 3x minus 4y is greater than or equal to 12. If x is 0, it will become 3 into 0 minus 4 into 0 is greater than or equal to 12. And this side will become 0. 0 is greater than or equal to 12. Then we ask the question, is this true or false? So we ask true or false. 0 is greater than 12. False. It is false. So if it's false, then you must shade away. Away means far away from, in the other area. You must shade away from test point. So what do we mean by this? Our test point is the origin, 0, 0. Test point. So away from the test point, that's your test point. Away from your test point is this side. Including your test point is this side. Away from your test point is that side. If it's true, you will shade using the testing point. If it is false, you will shade away from the testing point. If it's true, you will shade towards the testing point. If it is false, you will shade away from the testing point. So in this case, our test is false. 0 is greater than 12 is false. Therefore, you will shade below the line. So if you're doing inequalities, you need to know this. This is just one example we're doing on linear inequality involving a straight line. Alright, from here we are going to move on to quadratics.